You can launch a bill or inward tax invoice entry form in two ways. From the top menu line, select Supplies and enter Bills. Or go to the Supplier Centre and under New Transactions, select Enter Bills. When the form opens, the supplier field may default to the last supplier used. Click on the drop-down arrow. If your supplier does not exist, you can click on Add New to create it. Select your supplier. Address details will populate into the address section. Change the date if needed. Leave the amount due blank. It will tally the gross amount of all items and expenses included on this form. And the date payment is due. By default, it is 10 days after the date of the form. You can change this default in Edit Preferences, Bills, Company Preferences. The table has two tabs, Expenses and Items. Use expenses when you are purchasing items for the use by the business. Use items when purchasing something that will be used in sales to customers. Now click on Items. Now we can add items to the table. Click the drop-down arrow and select your item. Information from the setup will populate. If you need to, you can overwrite the description or add to it. Next, enter the quantity. If the cost price is to be different, then overwrite it. Same with the tax code. The tax amount will automatically calculate. If you wish to display the amounts as gross, in the bottom left, click on Amounts Include Tax and see the price and amounts change to gross amounts. You can add another item to this sale. Select an item, a quantity, check the cost price and tax amount, and the net amount. The Items tab will show the gross amount, as will the bill form at the top. If you have further bills to create, click on Save and New. Otherwise, click on Save and Close.